All right, deleting will take no time at all. All right, deleting is very simple. Almost, it probably shouldn't be so simple. But delete basically means we want to remove it from existence. So, app.delete, if you haven't guessed already. Right, we're going to delete things by their ID. I want to delete a specific item by its ID, so we're going to use that colon ID for the URI parameter. Okay, it returns a response. Cool, we've seen this before. All right, this is very easy. So we're going to do item repo dot delete item by ID, and we're going to pass that ID in. So pause the video, think about it. What should I put inside this parentheses? Cool, let's do it. So we're going to do request dot params dot ID, and I'm going to be paranoid and make sure it gets cast as a number. All right, and that should do it. And then we're going to do return response.status, okay, 200.send deleted. Cool. So let's say I would like to, let's go look at our items. Let's go switch to Postman. Okay, we're in Postman world now. Get rid of this. All right, we're going to, first I'm going to get all my items and see what's there. Okay, milk, eggs, bread, ham. Let's say we don't want ham anymore. Okay, so I'm going to do /4 and do delete. Let's see if it works. Okay, it says deleted. Okay, let's go check to see if that is the case. I'm going to get all my items. And look, there is no more 4. There's just 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to delete again. Hit delete as the HTTP verb, and let's do 2. Deleted, awesome. I'm going to go back to my get. Okay, and then let's go here. Okay, there we go, 1 and 3. Okay, so delete's pretty straightforward. Be careful with delete. Some companies don't like to do a hard delete. This is a hard delete, meaning you just get erased from existence. It's gone forever. Another thing that people do is called a soft delete, and I can show you a little bit what that looks like. So instead of deleting it, removing it from the array, what they might do is you might have an isActive property. IsActive, let's call it a Boolean. I'm going to have to update these. So I'm going to say, I'm just going to give it equals true. You can't do that in the interface. So we're just going to go ahead and put isActive, which is true, and I'm going to do that for all of them. So basically what you would do is you would give them all property like isActive, or probably isActive. Maybe there's something else someone came up with. And then instead of deleting them, instead of removing them from the array, what you would do is you would basically say, you would first get the item by its ID. So let item equals get item by ID. And then you would just basically say item.isActive, okay, equals false. Oh, these are if statement. If item does not equal undefined, then we can put this in there. Okay, item.isActive equals false. Okay, so that way you would define it as false, meaning the item is not active. And then you have to probably change the get all items to like this, return this to items.filter x.isActive. Okay, so that way you would only get items that are active. Okay, that is called a soft delete, meaning so if I delete this item, I'm just changing isActive to false. The item will still be in the database. Okay, it won't be gone forever. It will just be inactive. And then like later on, if you want to reactivate it, you just set it back to true. Okay, that's a soft delete. Hard delete means you just get rid of it forever and it's gone. Okay, so maybe you want to do a hard delete, maybe you want to do a soft delete. That's up to you. But at the very end, the delete, the delete will be pretty much the same. So you'll still use the delete keyword. You're still going to pass an ID to know which thing you want to delete, and then you will handle it from there. All right, so that's it. We've done CRUD. You actually have a basic functioning API that does CRUD, that does create, read, update, delete with items. So feel proud of yourself.